Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to install second Facebook in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I'm already installed on Facebook apps and I'm just use another Facebook apps. So simply at first open settings, scroll down, click on to advanced features, scroll down, click on dual messenger, and you just make sure to turn on your Facebook. That's mean clone. Then showing you to install a second copy of Facebook. Just press on to install. Now successfully install in my first Facebook and the second Facebook. You just use two different account. So that's it.